It's June 25th, 2026, and the past 48 hours have been quite interesting for amusement park fans like myself, i.e. nerds. There were rumors going about online yesterday that Fun Spot in Atlanta, Georgia was on its last legs and would be closing sometime later this year on an unspecified date. No one knew for certain when because it was all rumors. And then today it was confirmed that the park would be permanently closing on August 2nd. So now people have a date. It's just over a month away. So that leaves people in a predicament. I already rode ArieForce One twice in February. Obviously, I'm not going to make a 6-hour road trip to ride it in 2 days to pay my respects. I'm not that stupid.
Oh yeah, I am that stupid.
Lift off sequence engaged.
Wow. Let's just change the ending if they put it somewhere else.
It's insane. They better relocate this thing. Man.